Moving on now, the United States is hurtling towards a fiscal crisis, and the numbers tell a troubling story. And according to the Congressional Budget Office, by 2031, the US government will no longer be able to cover its mandatory spending from tax revenues alone. In this next report, we decode the numbers and the risks for you. Take a look.
Entitlements like Social Security and Medicare, combined with interest payments and other mandatory outlays, will exceed all federal tax collected. That is not a warning, but a projection based on current policy. By 2040, these mandatory expenditures are expected to hit nearly 20% of GDP. That would be the highest level ever recorded in American history, outside the extraordinary pandemic years of 2020 and 2021. The interest burden alone is staggering. Net interest payments are projected to reach 5% of GDP, an all-time high. The United States will be spending more on interest than most countries spend on their entire governments. Meanwhile, tax revenues are expected to rise only modestly to around 18% of GDP, and that is the highest since 2020. But it is still not enough. The gap between what the government collects and what it must spend keeps widening. Here is the context that should alarm every American. In 2000, tax revenues exceeded mandatory spending by 8 percentage points of GDP. Today, that cushion is gone. By 2031, the math flips entirely. So what is the plan? And that is the question Washington is not answering. There is no credible long-term fiscal strategy on the table. No serious proposal to restructure entitlements, no political will to raise revenues at the scale required. Both parties have spent decades expanding obligations and cutting taxes simultaneously. The CBO is not a partisan body. It does not sound alarms lightly. When it says the trajectory is unsustainable, it means the current path leads to a very difficult situation. Debt crises do not arrive suddenly. They build slowly over the years. Markets can't tolerate deficits for years. Then confidence breaks, borrowing costs spike, and adjustment becomes brutal. The US is not there yet, but it is moving in that direction with no clear plan to stop. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.